Okay, I'm here in my bathroom, ready to get ready for bed. And I have these two new products I thought I would test out. I've got first the facial, what is this called? Facial pad. I think it's a facial pad. So I'm going to try it right here. Of course, this is body cloth. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my face on this side. With this, you can see I've got some makeup off. And just going to put it into the hot water and rub it against itself, and that's pretty amazing. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but that's, I don't know if you can see that it's as clean as it was to begin with. Maybe I could do a little teensy bit more, but I'd say that's clean. Really great. And my face is clean on that side. So, that's cool.